Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Matic network. This is one of the token that is still bullish even though the price action of Bitcoin is showing some bearish signals. In today's video, I would like to share with you this parallel channel that has been formed on the daily chart, and we will also watch the bullish signals by these combination of moving averages of 7 and 25 on the weekly chart, and we will also watch this very big bullish Gartley pattern that can lead to a very big bullish move for the price action of Matic network. And we will also try to understand the movement of the alligator mouth, how we can use this combination of alligator mouth with the simple moving averages to take the exit position from the Matic network. Now, first of all, I would like to show you this chart, and here we can see that the price action of Matic network is moving within this parallel channel since December 2019. And in my previous video, I told you that the movement of this coin or this token within this channel is very much synchronized with the combination of some other indicators. I'm just opening my previous article. In this article, I'll show you the complete details how the price action of Matic network is moving within this channel with the combination of these indicators. One is the stochastic, another other one is the directional movement, the DMI indicator. And we can see that whenever the price action moves up to this support and the stochastic gives the bull cross, and this directional movement, the positive directional indicator, this blue line, crosses up this negative directional indicator, the bearish line, and then we can see that the price action moves up to the resistance of the channel. In first move, it produced more than 81% profit. Then we have witnessed the same signals here when the price action was at the support. Stochastic gave us the bull cross, and we also received the bullish signals by the directional movement indicator as well, and it produced more than 85% rally. And again, the price action started a bearish move towards the support of this channel, and this is the live chart now. We can see that the price action was moving down to the support of the channel, but without touching the support, it is now moving up at this time. If we see the combination of these signals again, then before the price action reaches at the support, the stochastic went in the oversold zone and it gave the bull cross from here, and this positive directional indicator did not cross down the negative directional indicator, but it is moved up from here, and these both signals confirm that the price action is going to make a bullish move from here. And there was another signal that I posted in my previous article, and I also shown that move in my previous video as well, and that was the formation of this cup in handle pattern that the price action is forming with the continuity and the consistency. First it formed this pattern here, and now finally it formed a bigger pattern than the previous one, and it was just completing the handle of this cup. This is the resistance of the cup at 304 satoshis, and I was expecting that the price action can be moved down up to golden ratio of 0.618 Fibonacci level, that is from the bottom of the cup up to this top resistance of the cup, and this is the golden ratio. And now I'm just playing this chart, and we can see that the price action just retraced up to this golden ratio of 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level and surged more than 20% so far. Now let's move to the next chart, and this was the chart with the combination of 7 and 25 simple moving averages. This was another bullish indication. I told you that this combination is working very well with this chart of Matic with Bitcoin pair on the weekly chart. Whenever this 7 simple moving average crosses up the 25 simple moving average, then it gives a clear indication that it is going to start a bullish move. And at this bullish cross, we can see that was formed in November 2019. The price action produced more than 247% rally. In my previous video, I told you that if this time the 7 moving average will cross up the 25 simple moving average, then we can expect another bullish rally. And here we have received the signal on 1st June, and after that So far, it has surged more than 20%. Let's see how much bullish it will be in the future. Now, I would like to share this bullish move of the Matic network. That is a bullish Gartley move on this monthly chart, this 2-month chart. This is a really very big move that the Gartley has, that the Matic network has formed, and that is the Gartley harmonic Gartley formation. This is the initial leg. Then A to B leg is retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the first confirmation for the bullish Gartley pattern. Then we have the retracement between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. I have just ignored this some extra spike, and this is the projection of A to B leg. So this C leg is the confirmation, the second confirmation of the bullish Gartley pattern. And now after that we have the retracement from 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And as per Fibonacci sequence, the price action is supposed to move up to this level, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. And we have seen that the price action has already spiked up to this level here in the month of March 2020, and in previous month of May it was very close to this level, but I'm expecting that it will produce a complete series of bullish candlesticks that can hit up to this level, that is 0.786 Fibonacci level. And this trade plan has the potential to produce more than 200% profit potential rally. And now I would like to share a strategy with you guys, for the people especially who have bought the Matic network on the bullish signals that I have shared with you, or they have used their own strategy to buy the Matic network and they have bought, and they want to know where they should take exit, what should be the sell point. For that, I'm using this strategy of Bill Williams 3 lines. This is a really very good indicator to catch the bullish and the bearish rallies. For example, this is the lips. This is the moving average with the time period of 5, that is called lips. And this is the moving average with the time period of 8. This is called tongue. And this is the moving average, the biggest moving average with the time period of 13. That is called the jaw of alligator. Whenever we have the smallest time period moving average above all and the biggest time period moving average below all the moving averages, it means that the alligator mouth is open. So this is a bullish signal, and this is a time to enter in the trade or buy the asset. And once this 5 simple moving average, that is lips, moves below all the other moving averages, and this bigger time, the biggest time moving average, moves above all the moving averages, it means that this is the bearish signal and the price action can move down. So that is not to time to stay in the trade, and we should take exit. But as these are the very small time period moving averages with the time period of 5, 8, and 13, therefore these moving averages or alligator indicator can sometimes give the false signal. Therefore, in order to avoid those false signals, I use the different kind of different combination of indicators. For example, at this time I'm using the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. For example, if this alligator mouth will be closed, then we should find that what moving average support we have just below the candlestick. For example, if we have the 25 simple moving average and the alligator mouth is closed, but this moving average is not broken down, the price action did not cross down that moving average, then we should wait for that moving average to be broken down. If that moving average will be broken down, then we can consider that this is a genuine signal and the price action can move down now. And if your buying is below the price action that we have the last moving average, for example, at this time we have the last moving average 100, and your buying is below the 100, then you can also wait up to this moving average as well. Unless this moving average will be not broken down, then you can wait for the price action to move up. That can save you more better from any kind of false bearish signals. So this was the update so far by the Matic network. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, and do share my videos as well. And I'll be waiting for your comments as well. Take care. Goodbye.